In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Shopify Store ID. First, log in to your Shopify Admin dashboard through the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the Admin panel. Depending on your Shopify version, you may find your store information under General or in your Store Details section. If you need your store ID for an app, integration, or developer purpose, you can often find it by checking the store information displayed in your admin settings or by viewing store data through Shopify's developer tools and APIs. Another easy way to identify your store is by looking at your My Shopify domain, which appears in the Settings and Domain sections. This unique store address is commonly used for integrations and support requests. Keep in mind that Shopify does not always prominently display the numeric store ID in the admin dashboard. In some cases, developers retrieve it through Shopify APIs or specific app settings. That's it. You can access your store information through the settings area and use it for integrations, troubleshooting, or account management. Thanks for watching.